Hello, today we will guide you through how to use trailing stop loss in TradeLocker. In this walkthrough, we'll use the BTC/USD market as an example and show how to attach a trailing stop to your order so your risk is managed while your trade has room to run. A trailing stop loss automatically moves with the price when the market goes in your favor, but it never moves against you, helping you lock in potential gains while maintaining protection. Start by opening the BTC/USD chart in TradeLocker. This gives us a highly liquid market to demonstrate the feature, but the process is the same for other symbols your broker supports. With the chart open, look to the right side of the platform and click the small up arrow. This expands the trading panel where you can prepare an order and configure your risk controls. Inside the ticket, locate the stop loss option and turn it on. Even if you plan to trail your stop, you first need an active stop loss. Think of this as your initial safety net. Placing it thoughtfully ensures the trailing mechanism has a starting reference based on your trade idea and risk tolerance. Next, select the trail option. This converts your fixed stop into a trailing stop, meaning as the market moves favorably, the stop will follow at a set distance, aiming to preserve more of your unrealized profit. Remember, a trailing stop only moves in the direction of your trade. If the market reverses, it will not widen your risk. It simply holds its ground, and, if hit, closes the position to protect your account. If you notice that the trailing option is grayed out or unavailable, it may be due to account or broker limitations. Some providers restrict trailing stops on demo accounts or certain instruments. If that's the case, the feature won't activate in demo mode. You can still practice with a regular stop loss in demo to refine your risk placement and then use trailing stops on a supported live account when available. Once you're satisfied with your setup, finalize your order by choosing buy or sell. Before you click, double-check your order size, confirm your stop is active, and make sure the direction matches your plan. After the order is placed, monitor the position from the positions or orders area to see the trailing stop update as the market moves. You can always review your risk settings to stay aligned with your strategy. That's it. You've seen how to open the chart, expand the order panel, enable a stop loss, switch it to trailing, and place your order with protection built in.